In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create and manage your online store directly from the Wix mobile app. Let's dive right in and streamline your process with these simple steps. To get started, you'll want to grab your mobile device and open the Wix mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll find it in both the App Store and Google Play. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard that provides a quick overview of your site. It's designed to be user-friendly, so everything you need is just a few taps away. From here, we'll be heading over to the Store Manager. Look for the option right on your home screen. Tapping it will take you to the heart of your store operations. Now, in the Store Manager, you'll see a variety of options including orders, analytics, and products. We're focusing on adding a new product today, so tap on Products. Once there, locate the Add Product button, usually represented by a plus sign. This is your gateway to showcasing new items to your audience. Tapping this will open up a new form where we'll enter all the details for your fabulous new product. First, let's add some images. Accurate and appealing visuals are essential for grabbing buyers' attention. Simply tap on the image icon and you can either choose existing images from your phone's gallery or snap new ones with your camera. Wix allows you to add multiple images, so feel free to include various angles or features of your product. Next, it's time to set the price. Enter a clear, competitive price that reflects the value of your product. Consider any discounts or promotions you might be offering and factor them in. There's also a space to add a compelling product description. This should clearly communicate the benefits and features, enticing potential customers. Once you've double-checked that all the information is accurate and appealing, it's time to save your progress. At the top of the screen, you'll find the Save button. Tapping it will ensure all your hard work is captured and your product is officially added to your online store. It's always a good idea to review everything once saved, making sure the presentation aligns with your brand and promotional strategy. And just like that, you've successfully added a new product to your online store using the Wix mobile app. Keeping your store updated with fresh products is crucial for business growth, and thankfully, the Wix mobile app makes this task convenient and hassle-free. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your online business efficiently and with ease. Until next time, happy selling.